all laughable.
Alright, so ladies, understand this thing. We had to do it because I get so many calls from brothers and sisters every day, all day. Let me say
You're a
this
joke for the
to
most high.
all of the sheepos out there. You all are doing wonderful. Keep banging, keep holding fast to the faith of the Heavenly Father. You know nothing on this earth can fuck with you.
You don't follow any of the commandments. And the ones you do follow, you pick apart to fit your narrative. You're all sort of wrong.